Hey English 100 students, in this video we're going to talk about methods of organization. And the way in which we organize information not only helps the reader to understand what we're trying to tell them, but it also makes it more enjoyable to read. And there's three main methods of organization. The first is chronological, and that has to do with time order. Now you can probably already see how narrative writing, storytelling, naturally lends itself to chronological order, and chances are you're going to be using chronological order for your essay. And it makes sense. When you're telling a story, the order of the events is important. So we start with the first thing that happened and go to the second, third, fourth, and finally the end. But there's a second method, and that's called the spatial organization. It has to do with where things are in space or an idea order. It's a little bit more challenging to comprehend that idea, so let me give you a couple examples. If I were to describe my office, I would say that I have bookshelves on the left wall and a big quilt that one of my students made me on the right wall, and I have my green carpeting on the floor, and I painted one of my walls green. I'm describing it in terms of the space. You could also use it in terms of ideas. Let's say we're talking about a couch. You could say all the different ways that you can use a couch. You can use it to take a nap on, you can use it to watch TV on, you can use it to sit down and have your dinner on, you could use it to play with your dog on or to jump up and down on. That isn't chronological, and it's not really order of emphasis either, which we're going to talk about, but it's an idea order. The last one, emphatic order, means order of emphasis or importance. In other words, sometimes you want to start out with a really important idea. Other times you might want to end with a really important idea. That's order of emphasis. So you put the most important thing either at the beginning or at the end. The most important thing you remember, though, is that the story that you're going to tell or the essay that you're going to write determines the organization. You have a choice of what kind of organization to use to best enhance the meaning of your essay. Hope that helps.